Alright, so for the 1972 Lincoln penny, now what you really want to look for is the double die obverse. That means that there's doubling taking place on the front of the coin. This is a very well-known coin. A lot of people know to search for 1972 double die obverses. So we see images here of doubling on the date, on the word liberty, the phrase "in God we trust." So look for doubling on all the letters on the front of the penny as well as on the date. Now if we look at some 1972 pennies that have that double die obverse, you will see different prices. So for example, this one here is a 1972 double die coin. Now this one is graded at a mint state 67, so it's a very high grade, which is going to give it a lot more value than a coin that's not in good condition. This penny here, because of its high grade and that double die obverse, sold for over $12,000. Now if we look at the same exact coin with the same year, the same double die obverse that is graded at an about uncirculated 55, and the coin has been cleaned, which will devalue the coin, this one only sold for $270. But hey, if you can find one of these coin roll hunting pennies, you put it underneath your USB coin microscope and you sell it for over 200 bucks, that is a pretty good profit in my book. This next one here, same thing, it's not been cleaned. It's a double die obverse 1972 graded about uncirculated 55, and it sold for over $320. And then if we look at a couple more, this one here, same coin, just graded at a mint state 64. It sold for over $490. And then we have another one that's been cleaned as well, and this one here sold for over $270. Now here's one that's really damaged, and you can see that it's not going to have a high grade, a mint state grade or anything like that, but it did sell for over $200. So watch out for these 1972s. Let's put these underneath the scope and see what we can find. Alright, so here we go. We're going to look for doubling on these 1972 pennies. I actually just started a live stream on accident. I had to exit out. Alright, so here we go. Some of the people came in there. That was funny. Alright, 72, man. I've never put these underneath the scope on a video and actually searched them on video. So I'm excited to see if we can actually find anything in this video. Alright, here we go. This is what you guys got to do. If you go to the bank, ask for a box of pennies. It's $25 for a box of pennies. Separate all your dates, get all your 1972s together, and bam, get you a USB coin microscope. They're available on couchcollectibles.com. Hook it up to your laptop or your PC, your computer, and start searching for these error coins. I hope I can find me a 1972 double die, man. That would be awesome. I do not own one of those coins. That would be sweet. 1969 would be an awesome double die penny as well. Let me know in the comments below what you guys want the monthly giveaways to be. Let me know what you guys want me to give away. We got a proof set this month that we're giving away. What else do we got? We got silver coins we've given away, Morgan dollars we've given away. So just let me know. Error coins, we give away 3 error coins. So just let me know in the comments below what kind of stuff you guys would want to see. If you guys do purchase anything on couchcollectibles.com, you will automatically be entered for that giveaway. Also, all of September, we ain't got much left of September. You guys will get $5 off your order if you use code 5OFF when purchasing 2 or more products. So feel free to go on there at couchcollectibles.com. I'll always post the links in the description below and in the comments below. So be sure to go check it out. Check it out. We got all kinds of different coin products on there, coin related stuff, merchandise, apparel, all that good stuff. So be sure to go check it out. Alright, here we go. 1972. Can we find any 1972 double dies? You know, the average person just don't do this. They don't search through change like this, so you know, you kind of always wonder, what's the chances of finding one? I don't think there's no way of actually telling what the chances would be, because you don't know how many people is actually searching, you know? And you have no idea how many of them are out there. You just don't know. Alright, not seeing anything on that one. Not seeing anything on that one. Alright. 7. Nope. Nope, 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 no sir. Alright. We only got a couple more pennies to go. And nope. And we will be finished with the 1972s. We do have 2009s that we're going to look through this week also for double die reverses. So be sure to watch that video. It's coming up very soon. I'm not sure if I'm releasing that tomorrow or the next day. I have my whole list of when I'm releasing them. Alright, last penny here. Last penny, last penny. No doubling. But hey, that's worth a try. You can't find them unless you search for them, right? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button in the middle. Check out the videos to the left of me. And until tomorrow, I will see you on the comment section below. This is Couch Collectibles, and this is where I disappear.